Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account and give that person specific permissions. Now you want to go to analytics.google.com and log in with your email account. Type in the password. Now once you're logged in into Google Analytics, it's going to take you to the home page, and this is the home page of Google Analytics. Now on the left side, you want to scroll down to admin. Click on admin, and you're going to see two columns. Now this is the new Google Analytics as of January 2021. So on the first column, you want to click on Account User Management. Now this is where you want to add a new user and give that user specific permissions. Now this is my account. I am the administrator and I have full access to my Google Analytics. So in order to add a new user, on the right side you want to click on this blue icon with the plus. Click on Add Users. Now here you want to enter the email address of the person that you want to give access to, and this has to be a Gmail account or a G Suite account. So I'm going to type in a G Suite email account. Now you want to make sure Notify New Users by Email is checked, so that the email address that you type, that person is going to receive that email with instructions so they can log in into your Google Analytics. Now here is where you want to give the permissions to that user. By default, it is set to Read and Analyze, where that person can view, report, and configuration data. Now Manage Users, this is full access. The user can add users, delete users, and change user permissions. If you give the person this access, the person can delete you. The person can also add new users, change permissions. So what I do, I click on Edit, and under Edit, the person can create and edit properties, views, filters, goals, etc. And the person cannot manage users. I will click on Edit, and when I click on Edit, all three are selected. Now whatever permissions that you have selected here, when you are done, you want to click on Add, and the person is added here with their email address, and the permissions are here. Now you can change this permission. On the right side there are three dots. If you click on that, you can remove access, you can delete the person, and you can also change the account permissions. So you can click on the pen icon and you can change it here, the permissions. You can also remove here also, and when you're done, click on Save. So that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.